So hello guys, today we're going to install Python on Windows. So search for the Python in the search bar and it should appear on the first on the list. So there you can see two links and click on the download Python. But first, wait. Subscribe to the channel right now. And also don't forget to like. So there you can see the download link. Click on this so you can install the Python. Don't click on that yellow bar. So then wait. So if the installation is completed, then go to the file location where it is installed. And yeah, there it is. So click on this thing, the installer. It is insert up.exe file. So once it is open, then click on the install now, or you can also figure it out. You are so intelligent, I know. If you're my subscriber, oh, please subscribe. So then it is completed. Now press on the close. It has happened. So yes, that's all, and your Python is installed now. So you can learn any kind of commands you want and do anything. So that's all for today. But wait and look what I'm writing. So I can get watch time. I'm very fair.